कट्टो आंबवणे केपेचो हो वशोन गोयस पायलट तरणाटो। वशोन हाका ल्हानपणांत पायलट जावपाची आवड निर्माण जाल्ली। देखून 19 वर्सां पिरायेचेर वशोनान आपले ल्हानपणाचें सपन पुराय केला। तो वेवसायीक पायलट जाला। उच्च माध्यमीक शिक्षण पुराय केले उपरांत ताणें अमेरिकेंत एव्हिएशनाचें शिक्षण घेतलें। आवय बापायन आपल्याक तेंको दिल्ल्यान आपूण हें सपन पुराय करपाक शकलो अशें वशोन सांगता। भारताच्या विमान कंपनी खातीर उड्डाण करपाचें आसा अशें कॅप्टन वशोन गोयसान सांगलें। आयकात ताचो पायलट जावपाचो प्रवास।
10+2 in science. I started my studies at Choppichicks, Grammar. After that, I proceeded to St. Joseph's Gudi for my primary school. After that, I did my middle school and my high school in Hope Joint the high school Quepem. And for my higher secondary, I went to Margao at Loyola Higher Secondary. From the start, when I was 6 years old, I always dreamt of flying. It was very fascinating, how was such a big metallic body, how it's up in the air, and I was very curious about it. And how is there are planes how two pilots, how they control the whole body up in the air. So I was very fascinated towards that. I always dreamt of that, and I put in my hard work to achieve that dream. I'm very happy, and it's not only that, also I achieved everything at the age of 19, one of the youngest, and I'm very happy for that. I made everyone proud, my mom, my dad, my brothers, my colleagues, my teachers, everyone. I would like to thank them also a lot, because it's not only about that, they also put in a lot of hard work, sacrifice, tears, blood, everything, just to make me who I am today. And it's even I remember when I used to go for my late night flights, there was many time differences, because my dad also used to work on the ship. He was a seafarer, so the time difference over there, plus in India, plus in America, it used to make it a lot hectic for us. It is a tough field to go in. So study-wise, you need to clear around 4 exams if you are flying from abroad in India. So you need your meteorology, and navigation, and your air regulations, along with your RT exam, which is your radio telephony. Those exams are pretty easy to clear. And the flying, though, it's always everyone has their own set of skills. And if you put in some practice, plus talent, plus everything, you got 10+2, which is 11th and 12th in science. And after that, then you proceed for your ground classes in India if you're flying from abroad. If you're flying in India, you need to clear some papers. But if you're flying abroad, you just need to clear 4 papers. That's air navigation, air meteorology, and air regulations, along with your RTR. And then you can go abroad, start your flying, come back, convert your license into an Indian license, and then you can start applying for jobs in India. And before that, you need to clear your medicals. We have our class 2 and class 1 medicals, which is in Mumbai. And before that, I did my medicals, and then after that, I did my class 1 medicals after my ground classes. And then I went for my flying in America, in California, and then I came back, and now I'll be converting my license into a new license. I'll be starting from India. I'll be applying for some jobs in India after getting my license converted, and then I'll be just waiting for any jobs. And then once I get the hours, the experience, and then I would like to work. Just keep pushing forward. There are many days, there are many. When I also felt very low during my training, there are many stage sets which are not that great, what I should have been performing of. But my instructor he would always tell me just keep it up going, just keep it, and just push forward. Everything will be fine. Just trust the process and just work harder.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर क्रिस्तानंद पेडणेकार.